All right.
What's up? What's up, Lab TA? How it doing?
Okay.
Oh,
You
Okay,
do
so we
have
got
to use
4
Dr. Racket.
questions.
It literally says copy and paste it.
ooh, that's not good.
Detect and debug any errors.
Okay, that should be pretty easy,
All
hopefully.
right, let's look through this. Did you just click debug? Is that actually what you're supposed to do?
I think so.
That would be nice if that were the case.
What?
Maybe maybe like never, it doesn't ever like stop. If that makes any sense, you know?
Yeah, there's probably a memory leak somewhere. If you can do that in Scheme.
I don't know. There's not a lot. It doesn't look like there's a lot of things you can do in Scheme. So it might not, bro. Fixed code returns. You can. Oh, it does say you can literally just press debug. It literally says that, bro. That's so whack.
Can't even like.
I think, is there an extra parentheses or something?
I don't know what's going on. I think it's lagging. Do you see this?
Oh, it does look like it's lagging.
Yeah, it looks like off to a great start right now.
I mean, it didn't crash my computer. Can I just close it?
I think so.
Might as well.
No one will blame you. Program files.
This time I'm not going to press allow more memory. I think that's what messed it up. Recover. Okay, never mind. I don't know what's going on. So, oh, it actually is like good.
Wait, what did it? Oh, just like, whoa.
Actually,
Wow. That's crazy.
What in the world?
I think I finally found it. Yeah, I finally found the Dr. Racket thing. Like I had to look through my file. Okay. So could you copy and paste what you put there for me? I just want to look.
oh yeah.
Yeah. I assume you're allowed to use like Control C and Control V.
I mean, yeah, it just said to debug and with like fix what's wrong with it and put the fix code as the answer for the problem.
And then just fix it.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's just something about the memory leak thing. Oh, it's because it's doing. I don't know. Actually, I'm retarded. I was like, oh, it's doing blue, but there's literally an else for a wrong color. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is even the right formatting because I forgot. Go look. Oh no, is it? I don't think so. No,
It doesn't look like it. Like,
you're not supposed to have these parentheses here, I don't think.
isn't that for the display function?
Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind.
Let me look at some conditions.
Let me look at the thingy again. It says you include the debug button instead of breakpoint by clicking where you want it to stop.
Oh, so we gotta like really debug this.
So confused. Wait.
Did y'all ever use Valgrind back in 121?
No.
I don't think anybody did.
Else proc. Oh, it's not. Wait. If you see where it says traffic light, just put It's equal color, not traffic light. Like you're not calling it the function again, right? Because right
Oh,
now
yeah.
you're just calling traffic light inside traffic light. There's no.
It'd be like
rectangle.
string
Yeah,
equals.
like equal. I forgot how. Hold on, equal.
What just happened?
Check.
This what?
What's happening?
I don't even know. My
Oh.
my Dr. Racket just went blank.
Is it like a compare?
This the debugging tool is like actually so trash. It crashed my
But
thing.
y'all get what I'm saying, though, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Like it shouldn't be traffic light. It should be like
Yeah.
equal question mark color. Equal. I can't believe that took me so long to notice. Like
I mean, all of us did it.
Yeah.
oh my
Yeah.
god, it worked. It worked.
What is this supposed to be? Like string?
No. Just put equal question mark color. Here, I'm gonna copy
Like
and
this?
paste it in the chat.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, click space and then color. Space color.
Like that?
Yeah, and all for all three. I could copy and paste in mine.
Mm,
If you want to just use that. It's the same thing. Wow, that's I feel so dumb. I hope the TA doesn't see that.
okay. Did I copy it right?
Just click
How do
run.
I run?
Top right. Just get rid of one of the lanes.
I missed. This thing doesn't highlight parentheses though. Come on, man.
So you have an extra one. I think you just get rid of the last one.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, never mind. Wait. Did I just like not copy and paste one?
Maybe I did it wrong. Oh yeah, I did do it wrong. There's no cond up here. My bad. I'm just gonna do this to make it easier. Just do this.
Valid. You have a T in there.
Yeah.
Tough season, bro. Tough season.
There.
There we go.
There we go.
No, I
As
just
we like to
snipping tool.
see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A quarter of the way there.
That's a bad screenshot. There.
And we're just nice like that. One question done already. Holy.
Yeah, hopefully this lab doesn't take the whole hour and a
Oh
half.
god, yeah. That would be fun. That would be ideal.
Yeah.
Would not mind.
To go. What is going on? Oh, okay. All right, now we have write deep list ladder that works on nested lists also. For example, what is it? A deep list ladder? What does it even tell me how
Adder.
to do?
So what does it do?
Oh,
I think
no.
I think it's currying. You have to add the lists together.
Hmm.
So we got to do like, I think it was on the quiz or something. Let me see.
What is this? Should produce 2, 4, 6, 8. Wait, could you show me just question 3? I'll just look through that. Y'all seem to know what to do for question 2.
Palindrome.
What do you mean palindrome?
Are you good?
Yeah. I got it.
I gotta minimize this. So I can actually see.
So you pass in, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
So we need. But what does it even do?
Okay. It
Is it
adds
double?
the numbers in the list together. So it's like you
Oh.
basically have, yeah, you see it?
A 1 plus 1, and then 2 plus 2, and then 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, and then 6 plus 4.
Yep, that's
Okay.
exactly what it does.
So we take two lists.
Or oh, it's not currying, it's a higher power function or whatever it's called.
What it higher order function, that thing?
Yeah.
And so I think what does that mean again?
It's you do the map function, I think. I'm pretty sure.
Oh
You do
yeah.
something like let me put it in chat. It was on the quiz.
So map. So we do map plus and then both lists basically, right?
Yep, that's exactly what we do.
That easy?
I think.
Or is that
Let's try
wrong?
it.
It's right. I gotta do the call it.
Yeah.
And what did they put? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go here.
I think it's deep list adder, not deep list ladder.
Oh,
or
you're right.
whatever.
Adder. That makes more sense. That's probably why I was like confused because I thought it said ladder. I was like, what? Contract violation. Expected number question mark. Try something like this. I mean, this is literally what we did.
Yeah.
Map plus, and this one, let's see.
Is it out?
Question mark list.
Oh, it might be because there's probably something because it's like a nested list type thing. It might be different.
Hmm.
And I have no clue, but I'm just gonna scroll.
Let me see if I can find something.
I don't see anything. I mean, it says multiple lists at a time, which we're doing. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I need to put parentheses, maybe. I don't know. Nope.
Expected a procedure that could be applied to arguments.
I mean, this is basically the same format they use in the thing. It's right here, map plus. I don't know if it's different. If there's like
Maybe try it on a non-nested list and see if that works, just for testing purposes.
all right. Yeah, it worked.
Okay,
Messed
so
up
it's
parentheses, to be honest. So let me try it again. 'Cause when I just fixed or changed it, it looked weird. So let me try to see if I can fix the parentheses. I think that's the issue.
oh, the syntax was wrong, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have 1, 2. Yeah, I think the syntax was wrong. Oh, maybe not. It's not wrong.
Mm.
I don't know. Maybe we can try the
Ooh.
thinking the debug. Actually, no, I don't even want to do that. It's gonna crash it probably.
I did a little searching and I found something.
All right. You can put it in the chat.
Oh, yeah.
Did it work?
There we go.
Oh my goodness. Is this the only the function or does it have okay? You can mess up the parentheses maybe. Oh, okay. It's because I got rid of the lang. It worked, right?
Yeah, that's the right one.
Does Zoom recordings record chat?
I don't even know, honestly. Part of being a programmer is using your resources, right?
You're just fast, dude. That's how you got it.
Unbound identifier. What?
It makes sense though, because we have to use the list traversal functions like car and
Yeah.
the one that shall not be named,
Tutor.
tutor.
For real. The cooter go crazy.
Okay. Have you made any progress in the palindrome thing?
I'm doing it. I wanted to do it my way. My way is just not working. Like, so like, you know how you were supposed to like ignore the dashes? I wanted to just like remove that. I wanted to like, before I even start it, like find a function to remove the dashes and then do it. But like, apparently not working out, obviously, because I'm still looking me. Goofy ass. I don't think this is gonna work. I think I'm just gonna do it the normal way, bro.
It's just
Are
one
you
left
gonna?
takes in, right?
Mm.
Here's the catch. You have to ignore the dash.
You're a bunch of fucking nerds. Just kidding. Haha. I would never call my professors nerds.
Maybe do we just have to do like a thing that checks if it's a dash, and if it is, you just do the which one pops off the returns the rest of the list, because that's probably what we got to use, right?
Oh, that's I think that's Scooter.
I think I could. Hold on, let me check.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's Scooter. I'm like 95% sure. Because car returns the first element.
It'll be like cond, and then could be like char equals dash, like that. Is there quotes or no?
Yeah, try doing quotes.
And then if it's that, we have to do, is it cooter? And then we would do list. I don't know. It would have to call the function again, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, it wouldn't be like that. It'd be like that, right?
God, my way just isn't working for some reason. I'm so sad. Just the function I have just isn't working.
What did you end up writing?
I was just trying to. I just found a function, like wrote it out so that like it takes like the original list and it gets rid of the dashes, but it didn't work. It did
Yeah, I
not
don't
work.
know. I mean, the thing is, if we do cooter and return the rest of the list, once we get to a dash, it'll just be I'm Adam, right? And then after that, it'll go to dash again, and then it'll be just Adam, right?
Guess because there's only one dash at a time, right?
Yeah.
Interesting.
We might need to use special Google powers.
Leave it to me.
So basically going through it with call.
Maybe, is there like a function that reverses lists?
Oh wait, so the
Reverse
is the
reverse.
parameter a list?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I think reverse is literally reverse, isn't it? Like literally reverse.
I'm just trying to Google it.
Like
Sure.
reverse list returns the reversed list.
Oh God. You have to write your own function.
I think it's fine, right? No,
Isn't reverse a built-in function?
that's what I'm saying. I thought it was.
I feel like it
I
should
could
be.
have sworn it was.
Try it out. Try it out. Try it out.
Wait, what should I write? And we could just do like, we have to create a new list, or
Yeah, there's well, I don't think we have to do that, but
because we would have to compare, right? We'd have to compare the normal list with the
I
reverse
think
list.
reverse list in like the
like because
literal,
if there's
in
a
its own
built-in,
I think reverse list as its own parentheses, like parentheses, reverse list parentheses. I think that's the list. Like that's all you need.
yeah,
Like, I
because I
don't
was gonna
think you.
say if it's like built in, then couldn't you just do like something like that?
Hey, you looking at the same thing I'm looking at? Oh no. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Wait, let me edit it real quick.
Might work. Oh, I have to probably.
Because if there's like, yeah, you could literally just check if the list in reverse is equal to the list passed in.
Palindromic. What was the list that he
Or
used?
it was palindrome question mark.
Um, palindrome. MADAM. A little too much spacing. Should be good. Says false. Is that right?
Yes.
No,
Oh, it might be because we didn't
Oh
ignore.
yeah, no, but
because
like
yeah, it's we have to figure out something to ignore the
it's
dashes.
returning what we wanted to right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Madam, I'm Adam.
So wait, couldn't we just remove the dashes in the list? You think?
There might be like a remove function. I don't know. Oh, filter. There's a
Oh
filter.
yeah, let's just do filter. Yeah, I think that would work.
Holy
Reverse.
crap.
Do we filter both of them, right?
Why is mine not working? I'm so confused.
Where is filter? I know it's on here, right? Yep.
Oh,
Filter. Can we filter specific character?
oh, I got it.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty sure you can. Let me look at the notes.
Filter.
I have it right here. Let's see.
Let's see. Scheme, filter, char.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you can actually do like a specific value, but we can try. We do like filter. Not question, my bad.
Try delete. I'll just try it. Why am I'll just.
Hmm.
Put down identifier. Delete. Did not like that. Wait, what? Okay, what was the example they use? Madam, I.
Or um
I don't know.
So mine still returns false. Display. Oh, it doesn't remove it at all.
mm-mm.
That's funny. That is funny. What about
What does cons do again?
Uh
Hmm. Cons adds to the front. Maybe we probably have to use one of those like function things, like list functions like cooter cons or what's the other one called? I forgot.
Like, would we have to write a helper function to like filter out the dashes?
Maybe.
That's what I was thinking of, but I'm still gonna try doing it my way.
Function.
Uh, oh my gosh, looking at some other code, bro, it looks so complicated.
Hmm.
Found something. Do you use quotes? I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to use them. Oh, okay.
What?
There's like a generic one. Like you can pass anything in, I think.
Hmm.
Like if you were to go like be like delete list and then that.
Oh, okay. I think I kind
I
of see what you're doing.
pair given list. I'm not sure like how to do this.
Should we just look at number 4?
We have a lot of time, but I don't know. Maybe this is literally doing the exact same thing. It's so sad. Oh wait, no, we're not. Never mind. It just has dashes. I assumed the same thing.
Okay, depth replicate that takes in a flat or nested list in terms of flat list.
The clone function. What is that?
I have no idea.
Maybe we're supposed to use a clone function here. Don't know what that means. Maybe I'll try this one.
Contract violation.
Expected pair. Given list. Is it because it's a lambda function? I have to call it differently or something?
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't
That's,
think
I don't even know. I think
I
so.
remember something weird. Like, no, you don't. I don't know.
Hmm. But wait, what did they say about a clone function? Do they want us to like copy the list passed in and then compare it?
I'm not sure. I mean, it says down here, it says create a function that you can use the clone function you made above to help you with this problem. So I guess maybe
So is the clone function just getting rid of like it's getting rid of the
the
dashes?
probably, yeah.
So they want us to make a function that gets rid of the dashes first, right? That's what I assume. Because that's what I've been on. Like that's what I've been doing right now. It's so annoying.
Wait, what part are you on?
Part where you're like supposed to
Take the
delete.
dashes out.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's not it.
Dude, I can't find anything.
Yeah, I can't really find anything either.
Doesn't fucking work.
What are you still getting the same error?
No, it just doesn't remove anything.
Hmm.
What if I make it remove M? Nope. Just
I feel like there's no way to actually, I don't know.
what about
Yeah,
this?
Damn, it's doing the same thing. I don't understand. Contract violation, expected pair, given list.
Wait, I think that, let me see. Um, let me zoom in a bit. It's weird. Oh goodness.
My God.
Yeah.
Sun is shining in the sky.
This guy does have pair. Maybe that's what this thing is talking about. Let's try this, guys. Probably should not have this.
Also make sure you type in lambda.
Is it called remove? It's doing the exact same thing.
That's so weird. Hmm.
Nope. That's not.
You know, I think we can just move on and then he'll let Kevin tackle that
Okay.
one.
So depth replicate takes in a flat or nested list and returns the flat list containing each element. Okay, so I guess off the bat, if do a little check for an empty list.
Yeah.
Uh,
What should it be called? Depth replicate.
Yep.
Null. We return an empty list.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I sort of have an idea. So if an element of a list is just flat, you only replicate it once, and then however many times an element is nested, you have to replicate it that many times.
Okay.
So like if we just pass in a flat list, we just replicate everything once. Like I'm looking at the examples right now. But I also don't know how we check how many times an element in a list is nested.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm confused. The hell, dude? I feel like this is more complicated. How do we check if it's nested? I don't understand.
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe checking if an element of a list is not a number, or checking if the element of a
Oh,
list is a
okay.
list.
Yeah, okay. I think you're right. Should be like list. What is the one? Is it car?
Or
Yeah, car.
yeah, car.
You probably have to do what's it called? Recursion.
Yeah.
E C D A R. I think that's it. Because you'd have to access the element to see if it's a list, and then you have to, I guess, move on to the next part.
Hmm.
So yeah. All right. And then
So
this will
should we create another like list object that puts in all of the replicated values?
probably,
So that's probably why they're talking about a clone function.
yep. Just do clone. But we need to figure out what are we gonna do. Oh wait, I think I did this kind of wrong because we're supposed to be like, this is what we do if it is, if car would be a list. I think it's supposed to be like this. What did I do? We would check if car. Oh, I think I
We're
need.
checking if the first element in the list is a list, and if it isn't, then we would append it to the clone list.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
So we have to do car, but then we also need to repass it in though, also, right?
yeah, probably.
Yeah.
So I guess we have a condition for if it is and if it's not.
Okay. So if it is, okay, so if it is a list, we should do the
Or wait, hang on. We could do it recursively to where, oh, okay, so you add it every time, because if it's not nested, then it's just going to go on to the next element, right? But
yeah.
if it is, then it's gonna go all the way through until it isn't a list, and then when it propagates back up the call stack, it'll add it to the list, right? However many times that it's nested. Do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I think it's like I think we need to like just basically create like an empty list and just like yeah, I don't know. It has to be like,
Actually, no. I don't think what I said would work.
because the weird part is it's gonna be like because if it's nested multiple times, we're gonna get, I don't know. This is so difficult. Maybe I can find something related to this in here. Wait.
Oh,
Hmm.
you could make a clone of the list. Well, I'm thinking of palindrome right now,
Yeah.
but you could make a clone and then sort the characters in the list, and that might get rid of the dashes.
Or maybe put them at the end or something, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then obviously they'll be equivalent because they'll be, they got the same characters. Okay, we'll see.
Yeah, like
You
make
try that.
one list have all the dashes at the beginning or whatever, and then the other have them
It'd be like
at the end.
this. And we don't even have to, oops, we don't even have to see, we just have to do basically, I did get rid of it.
Damn.
I mean, we basically have the same problem. I don't understand how we're supposed to do this one. And I keep having this stupid issue. The reload. We only have 38 minutes, dude.
Shit. Kevin, have you made any leeway on number 3?
I'm trying.
Yeah, I think we
I'm
got
trying
it
my
for you.
best. I be looking. I be looking at stuff, but this stuff is
No, like the way you said that,
Try.
I could tell you're just fighting for your life on that question right now.
Like you could try this thing I have on my screen where you're sorting it characters like this.
take a
So
screenshot.
But I also just realized that that wouldn't be an indicator if it's a palindrome or not, because we could have 2 lists with the same characters, but they wouldn't be palindromes.
Sort
yeah,
function solutions list. Let's see.
yeah, I don't know, man. Um,
Yeah, do we need to use currying on any of these functions?
maybe.
I mean, the sort looks great. Maybe it can like. But if it can like send all of the parentheses to the end of the list, maybe
Yeah.
that would be nice. That would be very nice
Yeah,
because then you could just delete it from there.
I'm so confused. How I'm supposed to do this one? That does not make any sense. Like, how do we even measure the depth?
Hmm. I feel like we're on to something with the CAR and doing it recursively, but I don't know exactly how to make it replicate the amount of times that it's nested.
Will work for gamma schema sort.scm. Do I have to put that in sort.scm anywhere?
I don't know. Um, I don't know how to check. Like, yeah, I don't know. We also do not have that much time.
What?
There's got to be something because I remember he was talking about like if there's a nested list, you have to do something. Oh, I mean, we can use cons to add to the other list. That just adds a number to the front. there's like something you have to use to actually access the list inside a list.
I feel like there's like nothing in the notes that helps us figure out these problems.
Yeah.
How do you include sort.scm? You guys know? Like how do you like actually like
I have no idea how to include on here.
because I think that's the issue.
What, you think sorting them by char is the way to go?
No, by stream, right?
Hmm.
And that one thing, because I don't, man.
Oh, it says for Gambit, we're doing racket. So I
Is
think for
racket-
racket, we don't have to load it.
We don't, because like,
Oh, wait,
because
You wanna
I'm
just
doing
try
I'm
5?
doing stuff, and it like I think that's the issue because I run it and it's just like it doesn't know what it's looking for.
well, it says for Gambit, you have to do like parenthesis include quote sort dot scm.
Okay, never mind. I hover over sort and it does say imported from racket.
Okay.
So I think I'm fine. I'm just wrong.
Um,
Wow, why this one's a struggle, bro.
yeah, this one was worse than the last lab. I don't
I
know.
know.
I don't understand why this is so bad.
Okay, what the hell? I don't think this one is too bad, honestly, this one.
The last one?
Yeah.
All right, should we just try and go for that one? Okay, you already
I'm just
are.
doing it.
A
Might as
predicate
well.
in a sentence.
No point in staring at that one because I just don't know what to do for it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then check if it's null. It says you should return true if the predicate will return true for every 2 adjacent words in the sentence. Why? This makes sense. You'd be comparing car, so the first one, and then I think you'd compare car. It's like the first one, and then you'd be doing CADR. And then that's the second one. But then what do you return? Get cars.
Return true if the argument predicate will return true for every 2 adjacent words in the sentence.
I think it's something like this. Because this is basically two first adjacent ones, right?
Yeah.
Using D, you would knock out the first one, and then using the A would grab the second one.
Mm-hmm.
And now what do we do? If it's true, it has to be true for every single value. I mean, like 30 minutes. To be true for every single value.
For the palindrome one, should we just turn in the one that doesn't ignore the dashes?
Yeah, I mean, that's our best bet. I think that we have the
Okay.
most points for it.
Probably, but at least it's kind of sort of works, maybe. Probably not.
And then we would do, if it is, we would have to do C. We'd have to call the function again. True.
Wait, I'm confused. What is the function actually trying to do?
I think it just checks if two arguments in a row are basically true based off of this thing. Like they'll put an equal and it's basically checking if these two are equal. And then it check if
Okay.
these two are equal. But obviously it's false because these two aren't equal, right?
hmm
And then since these are all, equal, it works because that thing in less than, it has to be 20 less than 16, 5 less than 8.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how we're gonna do the odd number. The odd number of things is kind of weird. It's not that bad though. Do 20 and 16, then 16 and 5, 5 and 8, then 8
And
and 6.
5 and 8, and then 8 and 6.
Yeah, to think about it. Obviously, if it's true, true for all pairs. Okay, come on. What's going on? It's true for all pairs. You have to compare. Okay, I think this will work. Because you'd be comparing the first and second, and then if those ones worked, you need to go check the next two, which would only work if, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this works.
hmm That's
But we need,
give it.
what do we do for the, we need to return true at some point.
So
No, wouldn't you return true? Because if you do CDR enough, does it become null?
um
Because wouldn't we,
because when you get to the last value, like where is it? Like go back to the prompt.
yeah,
Like if you compare like 8 and 6, and then you try to compare like 6 and an empty element,
yeah.
what would that do?
I mean, it would just be false, I think, right? Or, I mean, I don't know how memory works on this. It might be like a memory leak or something, or whatever. I don't know. But, I mean, I think once it's null, you would actually be done.
It would just go back up.
Like, I think instead of doing null sentence, it would be like null true, like this. And then if those two aren't true, then
Well, yeah, because if there's any part of the list that if it returns false at any point, then the whole thing is false.
yeah. So we just do else. I don't know how to format this. It would just be like this.
Because like if it returns true, would you just keep going? Is that how
Yeah.
it's supposed to work? Okay.
So I think it'd be better if it's like, if this is true, then we just keep going and eventually it'd be empty, right? I don't know.
Yeah, because I assume that yeah, because if you get all the way to the end, that means that everything was true, so you can return true.
Yeah.
But if it returns false at any point, then we know it's false.
Okay. Let's just. Where do we try equal? And A, B, C.
Guys, I don't know. I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay. How much time do we have left?
Less than 30 minutes, 20 something maybe.
I don't think that palindrome is getting done.
Okay, let's. For that, I guess we'll just.
Hey, it returned false. It actually did something.
Okay.
I'll keep looking for like the next 10 minutes ish, but man, this is
Then do like all A's or something.
I have a feeling it always returns false.
Damn.
Yeah, because eventually I think we're trying to go to the next value, but it doesn't exist anymore.
Oh. Okay.
So, okay, you know, that's why we'll always do even numbers. Oh no, it still doesn't work.
Damn. Yeah, because I feel like either way, it always gets to a null value eventually.
Yeah. So maybe we should do, instead of calling I mean, I feel like this is the way to do it. We're like super close.
Yeah, I definitely think we're on the right track with this.
The only thing is like whenever you pass it in again, eventually at this point, which is where the error is right here, it'll be comparing, like it literally is comparing A with, like nothing, right? And I
With
think,
nothing, yeah.
and we're trying to move on. So maybe we could have like an addition where it's like,
Couldn't you do like a cond for if it's like, oh, well, I guess you have that already.
a length of 1. Yeah, you could do that, I think, actually. If it's a length of 1,
If it's a length of 1, then return true.
oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, we'll do that. And there's a length function for list. I just need to find it.
Ooh, this might work actually.
Yeah. I need to find length though. Man, I know it's in here somewhere. I just
It's in the scheme library. I think it's just length.
like this.
Yeah. Like do like what is it like equal length sentence 1?
Like that. Oh
Oh
my
my
goodness, you're
god.
so smart.
I can't believe this.
Did we get a question right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
Yeah,
think so.
we can't prematurely celebrate yet though.
God bless.
Yeah. Let's. Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
goodness.
I can't believe this actually works for the time being.
There's literally only one left. There's no way it fails here. Because if it works with the other one, it's got to work with this one, right? Oh my goodness, it actually does.
Wow. This
So
is
smart.
amazing.
Wait, it worked for the palindrome?
No,
No, this is problem 5.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Honestly, I don't even care if we get the 2 other ones wrong, just the fact that we figured that one out.
I know. It's an accomplishment.
I'll be honest. I don't know. We'll see what our lab 2 grade is, but they seem pretty lenient on the grading.
Yeah, I feel like as long as we turn something in,
They're like
then they give
somewhat
us a
happy
decent
about
amount of
it.
partial. Yeah.
Yeah.
I Felt like the first lap was really easy, but like I think I did make a mistake. I can't remember, and I still got 100. I think so. We need to do 3
Hopefully
and
they are
4.
benevolent.
Do you do you think we'd be able to do the other two questions the same kind of way?
I mean, maybe. I mean, we did like basically taking off each one. I don't think so. Just because it's a different, you're not really comparing the numbers, right? And you kind of are
Yeah.
with this, but
Hmm.
I feel like the palindrome one we have the better chance of finishing. Do you want to send your code that you have right now, Kevin?
I don't, I've deleted a lot of it, but I'll send it. I don't, like, I'm gonna be honest, what I have now, I had a lot earlier. This is what I have right now. It doesn't work. It's, it doesn't do, it doesn't, I don't get like. I don't like, like the atom on atom thing. It's not a string. Like they're not strings. Like the elements inside the
It's a
list.
list of chars, right?
No, it's not even characters. I don't know what it is. That's the
I mean, the
thing.
functions, they aren't typed, right? Like it doesn't matter what you pass in, right? So I think
Just
mm,
it doesn't. It's just not what I. It's just I don't know what those elements are.
I'm gonna guess it's a string, right? What does it say?
No. If it was a string, what I was doing might have actually had a chance at working.
Or maybe it's just a list of chars, right?
I don't think
apparently it's not even that either.
it's not, apparently it's not chars, because like I tried it with like the sort you gave me with chars, it doesn't work.
Is there a way to return to figure out like what elements are in the list? Like could we return like the element of the list?
Oh.
Like the typing of it?
I'm not sure. I think what we should do is figure out how to remove stuff.
Class of no.
Holy shit, dude. If this one works, we could basically do like since it's doing like remove an element by its index, we could just literally look at it. And it's like, oh,
It only
right.
works for the two specific test cases.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
We write 2 functions. They're like this, and they remove what we want it to remove, you know? Actually, we don't even
It's probably not gonna work. That's the thing. It's probably not gonna work. Like even if it's that simple, like it is what it is.
we'll just see. So if it removes it by index, we literally need to sit here and we could just call we can just call the list remove element by index list, and then we would have the index. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect.
5 and 8.
5. And we've got remove element by index list 8. Sounds good. And then
And then, yeah, if we just remove those two, then we can just say if it's equal to the reverse, then it's good.
we just
can-
do. We should,
Like the one we put in chat earlier, where is it?
yeah.
Gosh, I feel mad and useless this lab. I got number 1. I remember that one.
Yeah, see, I mean, no one's useless.
Yeah.
The easiest I could only do is
Oh, the index changes though. Because we
Oh
removed.
shit.
Does it even work? Like, does the function actually work?
No idea. But we're about to find out. Reverse.
This shit doesn't work. This shit does not work. You know it.
Doesn't hurt, you know.
Dude, can we just
We've
move to like some
we've kind of
object-
crossed the bridge of this not working.
Can we just go
We're just
on
trying to
like
get something that looks
object-oriented
good at this
programming? I
point.
can't do this shit, man. Give me the oop, please.
It's okay, because in a little bit, we're not going to have to work with Scheme for a very long time.
Well,
Yeah,
the
like
rest-
2 weeks or something.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
With the first entire
Once we get
first
to the
exam,
Java part of this class, we'll be okay.
apparently the entire it won't like the first entire first exam be over Scheme though.
Maybe. If that's the case, then we might be. But I don't know, honestly.
Not in good state.
How much time do we have? 12 minutes. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just lose, and it is what it is.
Oh my god.
Do we have anything for 4, by the way?
Not really. I mean, we do, but I mean, it doesn't
If we
work.
have some sort of code anywhere, then that's fine.
Let's just, I'm just gonna do, even though it doesn't work. Like this
So
one.
did you know the next unit is over sort? And like I think it's gonna be over like the tree sorts, it's like merge sort and shit.
Oh boy.
So we're gonna have to do what we're doing now. So I think
Oh, are y'all both in 121 or 221 now?
Yeah.
no. I'm not, but I
Oh,
was
okay.
I was last year. So I remember all of that, which was fun. The vector
Yeah.
assignment, coding through that. That was exciting.
It's a good thing sorting algorithms are very easy to look up.
Oh yeah. It's
Yeah.
also a good thing that Scheme is not anywhere to be found. It's so.
Because people just don't use this language.
What are you talking about? Everyone
Yeah, all the
uses
forums
Scheme,
are like
bro.
12 years old that I find stuff on.
Bro, what are you talking- Everyone uses Scheme, bro. What are you talking about?
Yeah, look how awesome it is. Look at all these, how readable it is and easy to understand.
Yeah, look, my eyes aren't like fucking boiling when reading this. Like it's so easy to read.
Like I could probably think of 5 different languages off the top of my head that would be more useful to learn than Scheme at this point.
Bro, I can look. Just give me the list of languages, bro. Just give me the list of all of them. Holy shit. It's like trying to think of like an obscure language in the real world. I guess if it's obscure,
Verilog.
yeah, I'm thinking. I guess if it's obscure, I wouldn't know it. Like, I feel like knowing that would be more useful than knowing Scheme. Respectfully, of course. Respectfully.
Respectable.
No, I mean no disrespect to Scheme. Oh man.
I mean, the best we can do, I think, is this for this one. How much? 9 minutes.
I'll go around this time, guys. You know?
Yeah. We're at the part of the lab where we just kind of have to scrape together what we have.
You gotta put
Yeah.
something down. Like, what would give us half credit, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
that's the question we gotta be asking ourselves.
This is the worst thing ever.
What you talking about?
This lab.
What you I think you're what you talking about. This lab's fine. We're doing A-OK.
We just got to scrounge up something for the question 4 because that one is we have like nothing basically. So that one's probably going to be the worst one.
Do you think? I mean, I don't think it would do very much, but do you think we'd get more if we submitted a screenshot without the errors?
No.
No, because then they're gonna start looking at it, and that's bad for us.
Yeah, they're going to be like, oh,
That'd be scary, bro. We gotta make sure they aren't looking too deep. No, that would be bad.
I feel bad for the TAs that have to grade these, honestly.
Yeah.
They have to read scheme like 50 different times.
I feel like having the errors better just so they know that we had an error and it even shows them this thing.
And so they're like, okay, we'll give them a little bit.
Yeah.
Give us the brownie points.
Then we have this one, which is just a disaster. Only 7 minutes. I mean, we can like.
Let's see.
Well, I'll just do some random stuff. Let's just define an empty list that I'm about to do. I don't even know if you can even do this, but it is better. Let's just say that. We do this. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna write this. We do that. And then we're gonna
Wait a second.
Better be a quick and easy answer, my guy, because
it definitely isn't. But if you want to look there, there might be something that helps. Because I think the problem they're asking about is similar at the very least.
With the palindrome or a different question?
But with number 4.
Number 4.
Because they have a copy function.
I think I saw this one earlier.
But
that looks mad.
That's all I could find.
It's close. It looks useful.
Yeah.
it is literally the same thing. I'm about to die. This dude on Stack Overflow said, I'll let you fill in the blank because this looks like homework. Fuck you.
Oh, wow. He's so nice to us, bro. Look at him looking out for our education, man.
Preying on their downfall.
I hope.
You ask me?
I hope. I'm sure their CS classes went well, so I really hope they failed their electives. Man. Look at him. I can't believe people like do scheme and they're like confident in it. Like they're like, yeah, I'm kind of nice at scheme. Like,
Let me
okay.
answer Stack Overflow questions.
Holy shit! You think
They're
that's
just like,
what
let me answer a question on Stack Overflow and then just not give them the whole
You
answer.
think that's what professors do on their downtime? Like they just answer Stack Overflow questions. To be fair, I've answered a Stack Exchange, like math Stack Exchange question once in the past, but it was like Calc 3 stuff. Like it was normal. like Calc 3 ain't nothing special. But this,
I'm just gonna put random stuff.
Oh, crazy. I don't know. You could put like it just doesn't run, right? Like it doesn't run.
It will not run because it's.
How about instead of the equal sign, put equal like question mark, like equal to word. Does that work? Or is that only a string? That's only a string thing, maybe, right? Actually, no, don't do what I said. Don't do what I said.
I'm just filling these blanks because
Tough. Awesome. Straight up. Tough.
I don't even know what to put here.
Mm. Yeah, I'm fucking downvoting this guy.
He deserves
Thumbs down. Fuck this guy, bro. Man, this guy stinks. Oh, that's so funny.
how much time we got. Oh God.
You
To
can just let
reload
it
it.
go, bro. You can just let it go. It is what it is.
So it's only 2 minutes left, but I got like enough time to at least write something in here.
Yeah. Tough. I think the material he gave was easy, but like tough lab. Tough lab.
Don't make it elements level. Make it like whatever the function is supposed to be called.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Depth replicate.
You should probably put everything to depth replicate.
That's what I'll just do instead of testing it. I don't know why I'm manually doing this. Is there any more? Nah, good enough. I feel like we get something because this guy's like a genius, you know?
Hate that guy.
Toxic, dude. I would never do that.
You've never been toxic. You've never been toxic in your life.
Well, I would never do what that guy did. That's what I'm saying.
Well, if there's a place for being toxic, it's definitely not Stack Overflow.
I know, like, come on.
Dude, are you sure, Daddies? Have you read some of this shit in Stack Overflow? They're so passive aggressive. They're just like, I think yours is kind of bad. Here's the way I would do it.
All right. I mean, we're good, I guess. I mean, I have everything.
Yeah, just gotta hit the
That
take
sub
the L,
button,
hit the
bro.
submit.
Let's go. Stop recording.